morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time it is that you're watching this video. Thanks once again for clicking on the PenBoyRoy Fountain Pen Review channel. The subject of today's video is not a fountain pen, it is a watch. The Valimor Caliburnus 2 watch provided to me by the owner of the brand, Raymond, because he saw my channel and thought that channel is so savage, I want him to do an unboxing. So let's get to it. All right, before I get started with this watch unboxing, if you're into fountain pens, please make sure you check out the sponsor of this channel, Chalet over at penchalet.com. The link is in the description below. And make sure you use coupon code GOODWORDS to get an extra discount on all your purchases at the Chalet website. There are some exclusions. Now, I'm also going to leave a link to the Valimor website, so if you're interested in this watch, you can pick it up there, but it's also on the box right here. It says www.valimor.com. All right, so Valimor was gracious enough to send me this watch in this box, as well as a strap, a rubber strap. So the watch is equipped with a metal band. Now, I haven't opened it. I'm really excited. If you take a look at the outer box, it's a pretty firm cardboard box with almost reptilian scales all over the box. Now, this is here says gift only, not for sale, and the reason being that this was provided for an unboxing. So let's open this up. As you can see, it's brand new and it's cardboard's pretty stiff. Okay, so we open this up and we reveal inside what looks like a wallet type thing. It is a wallet. I mean, you're not going to walk around and carry your cash and credit cards in here, but inside this wallet, here you have one sleeve, and inside that sleeve is your instruction and warranty booklet. It comes in several different languages. That's a nice touch. I like that attention to detail. And on the other side, it looks like a credit card. No, I'm just kidding. It is a authenticity certificate card. That is also a nice touch. I like it. I like it a lot. So we're going to put that in here. I like little details like this. It's just really nice to see stuff like that. And then we have this cardboard spacer. Nothing inside the spacer. We're going to put that off to the side. And then we have, oh wow, this is nice. Look at this box. Hold on, we're going to put this down for 1 second because I want to see what's in here. Okay, look at this. This is actually cool. This comes with one of these things. I'm not really sure what you call it, but basically these help you push the pins out of the metal band if you want to adjust the band. I think including this is a really nice touch. That means I don't have to wait to take it to a jeweler to get the band adjusted. And inside is just another spacer. So just for the sake of cleanliness, I'm going to put this in here. Put this off to the side so we have room to look at this case. This box case, whatever you want to call this, is pretty cool. It's got a plastic lid. It comes off. It's not screwed. I just twisted it. Foam. And then you have the watch inside of this circular cylindrical case. Cylindrical. I can't even speak. Look at that. It's on a foam. And we got some bubble paper. It's a metal watch. The band is wrapped in plastic and tape. So we're going to take this off. Band feels pretty sturdy and heavy. Put this off to the side. It's like it's got a little pull tab here, kind of like a pack of dentine gum. So this is really taped down. I mean, I like that they take security seriously. The band doesn't scratch the watch. All right. So this is the watch. Feels pretty sturdy. The bracelet feels nice. Now, whenever I get a watch or an expensive watch, I always like to, at the advice of my friend Ryan over at Kenro Industries, I always like to take off the metal band and replace the metal band with a different band. The crystal is a sapphire crystal with an AR coating, and underneath the crystal is a cracked flake look that has different greens and blues, and as the light refracts off the surface, it actually looks like the face is moving like a fluid. It's actually really cool. It's really nice. You can flip over the watch and we have our Miyota 8315 automatic movement. You can see the rotor moving around right there, and that's what keeps the watch running. The whole thing is made of stainless steel, 316L steel, and if you know anything about steel, this is in standard use for a lot of high-end watches. I like the design here. Look, it has kind of like these scale-like features. And also a nice touch is this right here. It's a Swarovski crystal embedded in the crown. I like the attention to detail. You got a piece of plastic on the back. Let me just move that over here. And you got the butterfly buckle. Very nice looking watch. Let's see how it looks on the wrist. That's totally me. Okay. Let's put this down for a second and let's take a look at the watch band that they provided also here. I'm making a huge mess of my desk. Okay, and it's just tied down. We can just yank that out. And this actually looks very cool also. I like this. I might actually switch it out. But I just love the attention to detail. You got like a little sword and relief style thing here going. You got the band size, the brand name. Look at the buckle. I appreciate the attention to detail. If you look at the buckle, it's engraved with the same theme that the rest of the watch engraving has. I think that's really cool. I do want to give this band a shot. It does change up the look. Sometimes you want to go metal, sometimes you want to go sporty, in which case the rubber band comes in real handy. And just so you know, both of these bands have a quick release lever on the back. So I'm probably going to switch it up. Not sure. This is a very nice looking watch. I'm actually thoroughly impressed. Well, that was the unboxing of the Valimor Caliburnus 2 automatic watch. Thanks again for watching. Love you guys. Be well, be safe.